Peas on Earth. What if there really was peas on Earth? Not just two peas in a pot like us, but peas everywhere. What do you mean? A world filled with love and peace, where everyone and everything got along. That sounds peaceful. Peas on Earth is when everyone is best friends, like peanut butter and jelly, milk and cookies, and salt and pepper. And don't forget, best friends share. Sharing is caring. Right, and no biting or fighting. But pillow fights are okay. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Peas on Earth is when dogs get along with cats. And cats get along with mice. And mice share their cheese with elephants. And pigs give everyone piggyback rides. It's when giraffes help turtles reach the tippy tops of trees. And ants say bless you when anteaters sneeze. Bless you. And everyone says thank you and please. Don't you mean peas? It's when fruits and vegetables taste just like candy. Yeah, like apple pie and carrot cake. It's when we can play all day. And it only rains when we're sleeping. And we can make snowmen that never melt. When everyone is nice and nobody is mean. When the air is clear and our water is clean. When the skies are blue and the trees are always green. Peas on Earth seems pretty perfect. Yeah, let there be peas. Give peas a chance.